Oh, hello, and we are live finally. Welcome back to Adetola Digital Business Show. Hi, sis. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm so happy that we can get together today, April 20. We have been planning this more than a month now, and finally we are here. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that you can take from your time this weekend and make it. Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm
Yeah.
happy to be here.
So, guys, welcome back to Adetola Digital Business Show. If this is your first time seeing me, this is Adetola Ines Asogba, the face behind Ines Asogba Digital Business page. So, I am mom, a wife, a digital business owner and mentor. I am also a health information technician by profession. So, if it is your first time, you are at the right place. Maybe you have intention to start your own digital business. Maybe you have idea to start your own business online and you don't know where to start from. You are at the right place. So, stick with us because I am bringing you today as a tradition, I bring my digital business partner, mentors, or coaches. I bring them to show you how we are doing it, to share with you their story. So be with us. And if you come across this video, it's not by mistake, it may be an answer to your prayer. So please share to your timeline, share to people around the world. They may think that this is what they are looking for. So I will just start by asking our guest here. I won't say anything about her. I will just let her introduce herself. So welcome, sis. Welcome, coach, and introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching. Thank you, sis, for the invite. It's always a pleasure to share my journey with you all.
Yeah.
My name is Yasant. I am originally from Congo, currently live in beautiful Ontario, Canada for many years. I am a
Yeah.
wife and also mother of five amazing children. And
Mm.
by profession, I am an educator, but also proud online business owner and a coach.
Wow. Wow, that's a big heart. That's a lot of holes that you are you have here. You are mom of five. Oh my goodness, your
Yes,
house is full. But that's good.
yeah,
That's good
yeah.
thing. I love it. And you are an educator, so that means you go out every day to teach children at school, which
Mm-hmm.
is great. An
Yeah.
educator. My mom used to be a teacher, so I know what is there. I will just say good job to you.
I
And
know.
at the top of all of that, you add now a digital business owner, mentor, and
Yeah.
coach. Oh my
Mm-hmm.
goodness, that's huge. That's a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much for introducing yourself to our viewers. So
Yeah.
tell me, my next question to you today will be, I know as a teacher, you have already your income coming. Maybe your husband also is working and you both has your own income coming in the household. But why? What drove you to start a side hustle? Because for you, we call it a side hustle because it's
Mm-hmm.
something that you have on the side. It's your
And so,
plan B, right? So
yeah.
what motivates you? What drove you to start that side hustle alongside your teaching job?
Yeah. So I'll say time freedom and
Mm.
financial freedom. Okay.
Oh.
So as you said here, we both have good job. We are grateful for it,
Mhm.
but do we ever have enough time? No, we don't. Why? Because
Yeah.
we have to go work for somebody for 7 hours a day. And
Mhm.
also with the inflation, with life getting very expensive, it becomes really difficult to have something left after the bills are paid, right?
Mhm.
Living in North America, life is getting very expensive. You have bills to pay, you have mortgage, you have
Yeah.
kids to feed. And on top of that, as an immigrant here, I have a
Mm.
big family back home who
Mhm.
who always wait something from here, you know? So
Of course.
so we cannot just stay on one stream of income. It's
Mm,
always better to have second stream of income. So I remember in 2020, that's when I
mhm,
was expecting our baby number 5. So I was thinking
mhm,
that time it was COVID just hit. And I was just thinking to myself of sending her to daycare again. And with everything that was happening, I know with my other
mhm,
children, how that goes. You go on mat leave for a year and then you have to send them away. And I didn't like the idea of sending my baby to daycare at that time. I was just thinking about it. And also another things was at that time, our kids moved to
mhm,
online learning. Everything was going online. We have
mhm.
doctor appointments
Right,
online. We
right.
shopping online. We do so many things online. So I was like, so why not make money online, right? Is it
Mhm,
possible? Is it possible? So this is when that question started coming into my head. And also, as I said, we're working
mm,
a lot. We're going
yeah.
out of our house. Sometimes we don't have family time, right? And
Yes.
I know for a certain time this is good, but in a
Mhm.
long term, it's not, right? And
Yeah.
when we immigrated here, what we've been seeing
Mhm.
is like the same routine over and over again. So you give birth, you send your kids to daycare, you go to work, baby daycare, you go to work, and then you have to
Yeah.
work like that until you're 65 and sometimes 70, you know?
Mhm.
And by the time you retire at 65 or 70, you're already tired. You're not
Right.
even able to live life to the fullest.
Mhm.
So why not launch something for yourself that can help you retire early while you still can enjoy life, while you
Wow.
can still travel, while you can still do more things.
Mm.
So that drove us, my husband and I, to literally start something because we knew if we don't start something for ourselves, something in our own name,
Yeah.
something we can leave
Mhm.
to our children, we're going to work for someone for very long time, and that's something we didn't want.
Right.
So because of all
Right.
these reasons why we have to jump, right? Take
Mm.
action, take
Mhm.
risk, and then launch our
Mhm.
business. So finally in 2021, we found this business, and then we saw community of people from across the world, and we did not hesitate one time. So we joined, and
Mm.
it was one of the best decisions we've made so far.
Yeah. Right. Wow. Wow. I love that story. And I hope that story will inspire somebody out there. And I know
Yeah,
that you always share that story. And that story inspired me as well.
yeah,
When I look
yeah,
at you, yeah, the first time that I came across your post on Facebook and I saw your story, I said, wow, that's how I reach out to you. And today we become friends. So
yes,
that's the
yes,
beauty of this business.
yes, definitely.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
also to remind people who will come across this go live video, they see you last Thursday on a webinar, right?
Yes, yes. Ew, it was good.
Yeah. When I was sharing the flyer, like every Thursday and Tuesday I share my flyer, so I was going to share the flyer and then I saw your friend. I said, wow, that lady is here.
Yeah, sometimes I like to do something that some stuff that makes me uncomfortable. So when
Mm.
I just saw an opportunity present itself, I'm
Mm-hmm.
like, why not? Why not take a
Right.
risk, right? Because
Right.
so because these webinars are live webinars, so you need
Mm-hmm.
to be prepared. And
Yeah.
like that time, we had almost 400 people watching live.
Mm.
So sometimes it's scary, but sometimes some things that scares you, please go for it.
Right.
Right? This is how we learn and grow. And
Mm-hmm.
I sat down, I did my presentation, and then after all, I just drink. I'm like, yes, I did it.
Yes.
But
Finally.
it was great. I shared my journey. I inspired, especially mothers, to take action.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. And that webinar, I love it live.
Mm,
When I was going to start this business, I watch it live. And usually I just go to my thank you page and I watch that webinar because I love to
Yes,
hear people's story.
yes, yes, exactly.
I love to hear people's story. I love to hear that, okay, people are going
Mhm.
through more than what I'm going through. So it helps you
Yes,
to stay strong in your life, you know?
yes, definitely. Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
But I never try to go to that webinar live yet by myself. But
You
I will
will.
definitely, yes, I will go this year. I will go
Yes,
this year definitely. Finger crossed.
yeah. Yes, yes, do it. You can do it, sis.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, to all of our viewers, thank you for joining us this afternoon from my side. If this is your first time seeing me, this is Adetola Ines Asoba. That's a digital business show. I bring in my digital business partner, mentors, or coaches to share their story with you, to inspire somebody out there. So, if you come across this video, it's not by mistake. I will repeat that. It's not by mistake. It may be an answer to your prayer, or it may be an answer to a prayer to somebody in your timeline. That's why you need to share. Just praise the Lord, okay? All right. So back to my job here. What I love to do, I love just to sit down and ask questions to people. That's my job here. So my next question to you will be, how are you managing? I know you have a lot of hole, you have a lot of heart already. How are you managing teaching, entrepreneurship, coaching, family life? I know it may be hard, but you can just maybe share with us
Yeah,
your
yeah.
take.
So I always say, like, if you want something very, very bad, you can make
Mhm.
it work, no matter your busy life, right? Because I know so many people have that excuse. I've
Yeah,
so
I'm
many
busy.
people who are telling me that they have full-time job and they cannot do a side hustle.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
And but I know if somebody said that, they don't really really need a change in their life, so they love the job too much, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Because we personally we have a routine, right? We
Yeah.
have a routine. Everything has its own time.
Mhm.
So for example, if I go to work,
Mhm.
before starting this business, I'll go to work during my lunch. I have an hour of lunch time.
Mhm.
So I'll go, do socialize with my colleagues and do other things and stuff like that. But since I've started this business, and I have to be smart, right? You have to
Yeah.
be smart, like what? I have an hour, so I won't eat my lunch for an hour. Yeah, right? My lunch I can eat it for 20, 30 minutes. And then the
Mhm.
30 minutes, what I do my business. Okay.
Wow.
That's it. That 30 minutes that I have to do while at work, because
Mm.
we all have,
Yeah.
break on our
Mhm.
jobs, right?
Mhm.
And then when we come home, my kids already know the routine, so I have to teach everybody in the family to
Mhm.
at least have some type of chores, right?
Mm.
So after school, when you get home,
That's
what do
good.
you do? Yes, what do you do? What's your chores? And then when I get home, I know this is my time now to make dinner for everybody, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Make dinner. We're gonna have dinner together. We're gonna have our talk circle, because when we have dinner, it's our time to share how was our
Mhm.
day. Each person will take a turn to tell us how was your day, what's the
Mhm.
highlight and stuff like that. So we connect as family around the dinner table,
Yeah.
right? And then after that, my kids already know after school, if they have homework, they can start already. And then after dinner, we have that time to follow up with the homework, to see how
Mhm.
it goes and where they are at, if they need help and stuff like that. And then, you know, that's the time we spend together as family. But
Yeah.
after that, we pray, and then they get ready for bedtime. So most of the things we do is when our kids go to bed. Okay, so they go
Mm.
to bed around 8. So my husband and I now have at least 2 hours to do something for our business.
Yeah.
And sometimes if I have coaching call, it's gonna be within that 2 hours. Okay. And I
Mhm.
try not to do coaching call on the weekend or more business on the weekend, because I know this is where I try to focus and spend time with the
Mhm.
children. So you're gonna make it work. It's online
Mhm.
business. It's an online business. It's not like you have to go somewhere. Wherever you
Yeah.
are, you can
Mhm.
still run your business. I know sometimes even our kids, they have after school programs.
Yeah.
So we took them to basketball practice, to gymnastic. Okay, so while they do that, we can check something on our online business. So just
Mm.
to say that no matter what, you can still find time to do something, especially if you
Yes.
know that thing will change your life. They can change
Yes.
your life, right? So you can always
Yeah.
spend time. And yeah, the maximum we do per day in this business is 2 hours. We try
Mm.
to do 2 hours every day, sometimes even an hour. And sometimes I'm not even that busy. I don't even do much, especially if I have a family obligation I have to do. I don't have
Yes.
the flexibility, right? You make your
Mm-hmm.
hours. There's no like you have to do this. This is the timing. No, it's my
Yeah.
our own business. We make our own hours. So
Mm.
yeah,
Wow, that's a good time management if I can put it that way. That's a good time management. And
yeah,
usually when we bring kids to after school activity,
yeah.
they we just socialize. Oh my goodness, I have somebody. I have president here, so he's the president of my company.
Okay, okay. It happens. We mothers.
Sometimes when we are working online, kids
Mhm.
want to be with us when we are live. That's the
Yeah,
beauty of working online. So
exactly.
we can work with the home background noise.
Yes, it happens. We mothers.
Yeah.
So
So what I was saying is, sometimes when we go to kids after school activity, we just sit there chatting on our phone without doing nothing. Or sometimes we just sit there socializing with other parents. I do not say that is not good to socialize. It's good to socialize. But that time, if it's 30 minutes or 45 minutes or an hour that you have to spend out there without doing nothing, you can use it to maybe quickly respond to an inquiry to your for your business, or use it quickly to post something on your business page. So it's always good to work smart, not
yeah,
harder. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah. If
I
you
I, I know that. I know that time management. I try my best as well to do it. So
yeah,
yeah, thank you for sharing
definitely.
that with us. So I have another question, but that question I will probably go ahead and ask it in French. And I won't say ask it in French, but I will ask the question and you will try to answer me in French, because we are both French here. You are from Congo, I am from Benin. We cannot just sit here and speak English the whole minutes that we are sitting here and talking with our people, with our viewers. We want also our French followers, our French people, our French brothers and sisters who will come across this video to think about what we are sharing here. So, what do you have to say to our fellow French speaker who think that this business, especially the one that we are doing, is not for them because of the language barrier? Nous avons beaucoup de francophones qui pensent que ce business que nous faisons, déjà, ils pensent que oui, quand on est en train de poster au jour le jour, c'est déjà trop. Eux, ils n'ont pas le temps, ils ne peuvent pas poster. Est-ce qu'ils pensent qu'on est là à chaque fois à poster les choses? Il y a ça. Aussi, secondo, ils disent que non, vous venez trop parler l'anglais. Vous êtes aux États-Unis, au Canada, là-bas, vous parlez l'anglais tout le temps, là. Nous, là, on est en Europe ou bien on est, comment dire, en Afrique. On ne peut pas parler anglais comme vous. Votre business, là, c'est seulement les anglophones qui peuvent faire ça. Non, on ne peut pas faire. Mais le coach Yacinthe qui est ici aujourd'hui, elle a vraiment, elle sait jouer le jeu. Elle sait vraiment jouer le jeu. Quand je dis elle sait jouer le jeu, quand on la met en français, elle est confortable. On la met en anglais, elle est confortable. Vouloir, c'est pouvoir. Donc, franchement, je pense qu'elle est mieux placée. Moi, je vais généralement avec l'anglais. Je ne fais pas trop le français parce que mes frères et sœurs francophones, bon, j'ai plus une audience vraiment sur ma page qui est la plupart anglophone. Donc, du coup, je préfère aller vraiment avec l'anglais. Mais quand j'ai l'opportunité d'amener mes invités qui parlent le français comme moi, j'adore au moins piquer quelques mots en français avant de les laisser partir. C'est pourquoi je dis que ce coach qui est ici aujourd'hui, elle, elle est mieux placée pour nous répondre, pour parler à nos frères et sœurs francophones qui pensent que ce business n'est pas pour à cause de la langue.
Mhm. Oui, c'est ça, je comprends. C'est le même problème que nous avons aussi avec les
Mhm.
francophones. Mais vous encore, les gens qui disent qu'ils ne sont pas capables de le faire, ils disent peut-être qu'ils sont en Europe ou
Mhm.
en Afrique. Mais
Oui.
ce qui m'étonne de plus, c'est nos frères et sœurs francophones qui habitent en Nord-Amérique. Right?
Mhm.
Parce qu'il y a encore beaucoup ici au Canada, beaucoup aux États-Unis
Oui, et vrai,
où
c'est vrai.
ils vont magasiner en français,
Mm.
en anglais. Ils vont magasiner en anglais. Parce qu'aux États-Unis, il n'y a pas de français là-bas. Mais dès
Mhm.
qu'ils voient quelque chose que non, suivez la session d'information en anglais, là, l'anglais est perdu.
C'est
Ils ne peuvent
fini.
pas comprendre.
Ils disparaissent. J'en ai eu beaucoup. C'est vrai.
Mais on ne vous
Ils
a pas même
disparaissent.
dit de parler. Ce n'est pas une conversation. Vous avez besoin de la compréhension.
Mhm.
Right? Vous
Oui.
faites toutes vos démarches, vos
Mhm.
parcours là-bas, vous les faites en anglais. Maintenant, quand il s'agit de suivre une session d'information en anglais, là, l'anglais est fini, terminé. Ils n'ont plus la connaissance de la langue et comme, non. Moi, ce que je pense, c'est qu'ils n'ont pas besoin d'un changement, ma soeur. Parce qu'il y a d'autres personnes qui, leur mindset, c'est déjà
Ouais,
basé sur le salaire et
c'est
aussi
vrai.
un emploi. C'est-à-dire que
Mm.
non, you can't change somebody like that. Vous pouvez
Mm.
lui dire tout ce que vous allez faire, il est déjà basé sur ça. Et ce qui
Vraiment.
m'étonne est qu'ils font ça en sachant que non, ils vont voir la liberté financière à travers
Vraiment.
un salaire. Are you kidding me?
Non.
Donnez-moi juste un
Non, oui.
exemple d'un millionnaire qui a gagné sa vie sous un salaire,
Mm.
sous un emploi.
Mm.
Ça n'existe pas, mon frère. Il y a les autres qui s'ajoutent 2, 3 emplois. Ils n'ont pas le temps pour eux-mêmes.
Vraiment.
Ils ne dorment pas. Ils pensent que non, en ayant tous ces boulots-là,
Mm.
travailler 20 heures par jour et vous n'avez que 4 heures restées, c'est ce qui va vous donner la liberté financière. Mais non,
Non.
mais non. Je vous dis, ce business ici, nous le faisons 2 heures par jour, 2 heures
Mm.
maximum. Mais il y
Mhm.
a des mois que nous gagnons des 5 figures.
C'est
5
vrai.
figures.
Oui.
Mais le boulot, là, vous cherchez 2, 3 travaux, vous travaillez comme des esclaves. Et j'ai parlé avec une dame, elle aussi, elle est aux États-Unis.
Mhm.
Elle a vu notre vidéo, elle voulait se lancer. Elle m'a dit, en tout cas, ma soeur, elle m'a raconté toute une histoire de comment là où elle travaille dans les warehouses. Apparemment, aux États-Unis, il y a des places warehouse.
Oui. Il y en a beaucoup ici.
Oui, au foie. Et
Mm.
maintenant, elle a les problèmes au genou. OK?
Aha.
Elle a eu maintenant les problèmes au genou. Elle ne peut pas bien marcher. Elle ne peut pas
Mm.
porter des talons comme nous, les femmes, parfois. Hein, tu fais une sortie,
Oui.
tu t'apprêtes,
Tu
tu fais
fais
un
genre.
talon
Aha.
là. Elle ne peut plus faut porter ça à cause de
Wow.
son emploi. Moi,
Wow.
j'ai dit, waouh, ma sœur, ça tombe bien parce que nous allons vous aider. OK?
Oui.
Nous allons vous les aider à travers ce
C'est une
business.
porte de sortie ici.
Vous lancez petit à petit, ça va vous sortir de cette calvaire. Ah oui, en tout cas, je suis vraiment contente, elle était prête, tout ça. Maintenant, quand il s'agit maintenant de suivre la session d'information, c'était en anglais. Là, c'est comme si elle habitait en France. C'est en anglais, ma soeur. Le lien que vous m'avez envoyé, c'est en anglais. Come on, ma soeur. Êtes-vous aux États-Unis? Ben oui, mais l'anglais, c'est pas ma langue.
Oui, c'est ça. C'est le mot ça. L'anglais, c'est pas ma langue. Mais on est dedans.
Oui. Et aussi, après ça, quand vous dites que non, il faut investir, ils ne veulent pas investir. Non, vous ne pouvez pas lancer un business gratuitement.
Un business à investir.
Là, c'est quoi ça?
Yeah.
Il faut de l'argent pour se faire de l'argent, simple que ça. Vous voulez un emploi, oui, vous pouvez trouver un emploi comme ça parce que vous allez travailler comme des esclaves. C'est pourquoi c'est gratuit. Mais construire une entreprise légitime, rentable et taxable, qui pourra vous donner des 5 figures chaque mois, ça se lance pas gratuitement. Arrêtez ça. Arrêtez ça, s'il vous plaît. Et arrêtez toujours de poser cette question-là. Est-ce que c'est gratuit? Est-ce que c'est gratuit?
Est-ce que je dois investir?
Non, ce n'est pas gratuit. Ce n'est pas gratuit. Si vous voulez des gratuits, continuez avec votre emploi. Et un jour, ça va vous créer des problèmes de santé. Vous voyez? En tout cas, c'est ce que j'ai dit, que les personnes qui donnent des excuses, ils ne sont pas prêts pour un changement.
Vraiment.
Ils ne sont pas prêts. Parce que vous êtes francophone. Je suis francophone. Combien de francophones de la France font ce business?
Ah,
Combien de francophones de la Belgique font de ce business avec plein de résultats? Vous
plein,
voyez?
plein,
Yeah.
plein.
Mhm.
Et nous sommes francophones vivant aux États-Unis, au Canada, mais
Oui.
on trouve des excuses à cause de la langue qui est une barrière. Anyway, nous, on serait là à dire pour nous et puis voilà. Voilà.
Un
Merci
peu
beaucoup
ça.
d'avoir répondu à cette question-là qui me tracasse à chaque fois avec
Yeah.
mes followers, mais les gens qui ont vraiment envie de faire le business, mais qui ne sont pas vraiment prêts dans leur mindset, qui ne sont
Yeah.
pas prêts à se
Mhm.
donner. Bon,
Yeah.
voilà. J'ai une dernière question. Cette
Oui.
dernière question-là, c'est, je suis en train de voir s'il faut continuer en anglais ou bien rester en français. En tout cas, what action would you like our audience to take after hearing about your story today?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like if you think like you need a change in your life, like what you're doing currently, maybe you're doing a job that you come at home very tired, and also it's too much work for you. Also, you're missing some, like mother, we are mother here. You're missing some special moments with your family. Take
Mhm.
chance today to reach out to one of us and
Yes.
start your own online business. So our business is so easy to follow.
Mhm.
We have a video-based training. We
Mhm.
have mentorship program. There's so many business out there, but are you going to get a mentor and a coach in that business to guide you? No. In this business, we have it. You're going
Yeah.
to have one of us as a mentor or coach, people who will be there to guide you every step of the way. And then
Yeah.
you're going to be part of our global
Global
community.
community.
We just hit
To progress.
200,000
Yeah.
people globally doing this business with great results. So
Mhm.
you're gonna just step into something that already exists for a very long time, and it's
Yeah.
gonna change your life. So if you need
Mhm.
change, the time is now, and you won't
Right.
regret it.
That's right. So the time is now, guys. You
Yes.
hear it, and I won't add more than that. So the
Yeah.
time is now. So coach just
Mhm.
talk.
Yeah.
And thank you again to our viewers, to people who join us now, and to all of you who will join us to watch the replay. Take action. The time is now. For now, I will just say, stay with that. Think about that. Take action. The time is now. And I will wish you a blessed weekend and talk to you later.
Let's
God
see my
bless
God.
you.
Bye, guys.
Thank
Thank you for
you.
watching.
Bye. Thank you for watching.